Hi, my name is Jacques. Welcome to this video and thank you for taking the time to watch this. Now last week I did an review video of the Kibo Code, and there's a link to that in the description below this video. And I wanted to do this video as a follow-up because Ebook and Steve Clayton, who are the creators of this product, have released new information about the Kibo Code, what it does, how it works, and so on. And during this video I'm going to be taking you through some of the information they've released, and there'll also be an opportunity for you to sign up to their training and information sessions during this week, at which they'll talk about how they managed to generate almost $77,000 in only 24 hours with their system, and obviously a lot more information. Now all of this leads up to the launch on Tuesday, January 28th, when the system becomes available. But first, let's start off with this brief introduction video by Ebook and Steve Clayton. As I said, they're the creators of this exciting new product.
Hey, Ebook, Steve Clayton here, coming to you from Tokyo, where we've got a very exciting message about a new system that we've been using to get some phenomenal results over the past 12 months. Both us, our team, and our beta students have been using this to make some enormous amounts of money to the tune of $76,000 in 24 hours, or over $1 million in 30 days.
So stick with us for the next 60 seconds or so, because you're going to want to understand how this system ties into this incredible store that's right behind us here in Tokyo. And you're going to be able to download a free ebook that explains the whole system and how you can take advantage of it too. So we'll be back with you in just a moment.
Hey guys, here we are. We are back at our incredible hotel. We're at the Park Hyatt in Tokyo. It's an amazing place. You know what we do. Each year, we spend the whole year trying to make things bigger, better, all to create more of an opportunity for us to have an incredible impact on your lives and create businesses with you guys. This year, we've completely blown it out of the water, and our whole system has been inspired by the success of the store that we were just in front of, the store Don Quixote, again here in Tokyo. It's an incredible system, and you know what actually is a good way to talk about it is all the things it's not, or all the things you don't have to worry about. You don't have to worry about Amazon. You don't have to worry about Facebook advertising. You don't have to worry about international suppliers. You don't have to worry if you're outside the US. No LLCs, no EINs, no warehouses, no capital, no tech challenges, no worrying about picking niches and products. You get the idea. What it does focus on is instant traffic and quick cash flow, okay? So it's all explained in incredible detail in the manual, the book that you can get right now. All you have to do is put your email in right here on this page. Plus, for your trouble, to just learn all about this incredible thing, we're also giving away $5,000.
So as Steve said, over the past year we've been working with a group of 25 beta students and really perfecting the process, so much so that some of our best students have got to $125,000 per month. It's been phenomenal, and we've come halfway around the world to see this store that has inspired us, and now you've got the chance to take a look on the inside to see what all the fuss is about and find out for yourself. So you can go ahead, enter your email and check it out for yourself today.
Okay, that looks quite exciting, doesn't it? So in the second part of this video, I just want to concentrate on the training sessions they were talking about and this ebook they were talking about. And the ebook is what I have in front of me right now, and I'm just briefly going to take you through it. I'm going to be respectful of your time and not drag it out too much. So this deals with a 4-step method for generating sales and so on, and this is the exact same system they used to generate almost $77,000 in 24 hours using a secret source of monster traffic, they say. Alright, so the training webinar they were talking about is this. They'll be explaining to you why this is shockingly simple, a system that is fast and easy to make money with than any other business model, and how they are using it to make up to $76,000 per day. Now, their beta students are using the system to generate up to $125,000 a month, and how to start making sales as fast as possible using our one-click super app that will allow you to go from 0 to live in 60 minutes or less. Now, the training labs take place on Monday, 27th of January, and there are 4 time slots for it, being 12 p.m., 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 7 p.m. Eastern Time. That is New York time. And the document, as I say, it's a very comprehensive document. It's almost 50 pages long, and here you can see some of the examples they've done, the sales figures they've done during the 12-month they've been doing their trials and so on. And here you can see these are some of the figures they've done. I just wanted to show you. Here we go. Okay, they say this system breaks all the rules. It's something that they, along with their partners, have been using over the past 12 months to generate colossal amounts of revenue and profits. Okay, so here they've got 2 examples. On the left, they say is where they generated almost $77,000 in a single day. And on the right is what they've done in sales in a single month. Now, again, I say I'm going to be respectful of your time and not spend too much time on the section. If you register for the training labs, you'll in any case get a copy of this book. So I'm not going to spend too much time on it. To some parts that I did want to show you specifically, it deals with Aidan and Steve and their backgrounds as well and where they come from. And if you look at my other review video, you'll see that they have had several very successful launches in the past, especially since 2015. 2015 up to 2019, they've had sales in excess of $40 million. Okay, so this is the part I wanted to show you. This briefly explains the 4-step system. Step 1, it says install your store. Step 2, you load your products, which are handpicked for you. Step 3 is make sales and profits. And then in step 4, you systemize the delivery method. Now, I do know that they will, with the system, you will get 5 products already that are ready for you to start selling. Okay, then I'm not going to deal with all these issues. Another part which I wanted to show you specifically. Now, this part is also quite important. Let's talk about profits. And they go on here to deal with an example of your sales that you can achieve. If you started out in month 1 with 1 product to sell, and you made 12 sales a day at $70, it would mean you would generate $840 per day in sales. If you scale that up to 2 products in the next month, still with 12 sales a day, still with $70 per sale, you'd be looking at $1,680 per day. And in month 3, if you scale even further, with 3 products, you'd be making $2,520 in sales. Now, this is normally the business model that they would consider. If you look at the key factors for a successful business, it would be to have realistic profits, the time commitment it's going to take from you, the speed of results, the startup costs, and the predictability. Now, if you look at and as you can see here, they look at alternative models to this one, being Amazon white label, affiliate marketing, Kindle, information products, Amazon wholesale, and software as a service. They're all good models, but they have some downsides to them. Now, if you look at their system, it's got realistic profits, where it's easy to calculate how much profit you'll be making for each sale and how many sales you will make for a single product on a weekly basis. So that you can calculate. Then the time commitment is absolutely as low as it gets because 90% of the process is automated. The speed of results, they say, is unmatched. You can go from start to selling in as little as 24 hours, and you will see your results very soon after that. Your startup costs are also the lowest, on a par with Kindle. Your cost would be, there wouldn't be much cost other than a simple website, and they are going to give that to you as well. Okay. Then predictability, they say the Kibo model has the highest level of certainty of any of the models because there's a huge demand for the products that you are selling. And remember, they're giving you 5 products with the system. and there are millions of products to choose from and to sell. Okay, so the Holy Grail business is one that has high profits expected in the first year, after 3 years as well, because it can be scaled. It's got low weekly time commitment on your part, it's got rapid results, it's got low startup costs, and it has got high predictability. Okay, the Kibo Code will benefit basically anybody that has been considering and dealing with e-commerce, and even if you're not dealing with that at the moment and you want to do this as a sideline, you can do that as well. So if you still have a job or you want to do this as a sideline, I say you don't need to give up or quit or even set aside any other existing projects you have. Setting up and running this type of business is fast, and it only requires a handful of hours each week. Funds made from this business can be funneled into other businesses to grow it faster. And if you're just starting out, this is completely beginner friendly, and it will give you the roadmap so that you can avoid possible pitfalls. Okay, so I think I'm going to leave it at that. Again, I say have a look at registering for this training lab. Again, it's on the Monday, the 27th of January, with those 4 time slots at 12 p.m., 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So, guys, I'm going to conclude with that. I'm not going to waste your time and going through all the details of this document. You can get that for yourself, and I highly recommend that you do. Now, I'm going to leave it at that, and I hope you got some value out of this. And I honestly recommend that you register for the training labs. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.